friends, Running Kimono. So I made a video that was published yesterday about like the best deals between the 24th to the 30th over at Walgreens. And that's exactly how I sound. And there's a deal for some free stationery Sunday only. And I started working on this video on Wednesday because that's when the week previous, the new ad is released over at Walgreens. They don't provide us with the fine print anymore, so it's kind of like a little preview video, but I did know that this 3 off of 2 digital is there. There's going to be a sale that week where the highlighters, pens, they're going to be 3 for 2, so $1.50 per for the Bic stationery, so certain pens and highlighters. So pairing it with this coupon, that's a freebie. Now, a lot of you are saying, oh, the coupon isn't valid on Sunday. And if you look at the top of the fine print, there it is, expires 7/24/22. That's Sunday. Now, I'll let you guys know that this Bic coupon has been around for a couple weeks. So if you did some sort of curbside deal or in-store deal with the Bic stationery to get it for like $1 or something for 2 packs of pens, it's a one and done with digital coupons, but if you were lazy like me and this thing's just been living in your account, you still have the digital coupon to do this deal on Sunday, the 24th only. So we are on a tight time crunch. So I'm going to show you how to find this coupon. How do I find this coupon? Okay, excellent question. We have 2 different options. So the first one is to go to your digital coupons folder and press clipped. Clip to your store card. So you're going to press on a desktop computer, it's that third one, press it, and then it'll itemize all of the digital coupons that you loaded specifically to your store card. In the available, which is the general, it's not going to show there for whatever goofy reason. So maybe because it's on the wire of expiring, that's why it's happening, or it's the, Walgreens stuff. Another way to find this is to grab 2 of the highlighters priced at $2.99 and add 2 of them to your basket. And for whatever reason, so you can use the highlighters, the pens, the items that are $2.99 in that neighborhood. That's what we're looking for. And just throw 2 of them into your basket. You're not going to purchase them, but just to test this out. If you're like, do I have this coupon? Do I not have this coupon? Now, just to show you guys, the subtotal is $4.48 because the highlighters are BOGO 50% off. And see, manufacturer $3 off. So that's coming off right there, but do not buy them today, which is Saturday the 23rd. We want to buy them on the 24th because on the 24th, they're going to be free, and that's what we want. To show you this magic, the coupons in promo for a curbside deal, it says the Bic stationery, so that's the one. It's not something else. It is that specific coupon that is coming off, and I just tested it. I threw 2 in the basket and say, hey, is this going to work or is this not going to work? And it's working, and I showed you guys the fine print of the coupon. It doesn't expire till the 24th. Sorry, I didn't explain that very well in the preview video I did on Friday, but yeah, it is for that date. Now, does Walgreens have the option just to remove a coupon? Yes, they do. They have done it in the past, but whenever I have a screenshot of it, they tend to honor it, and it's also in their system that you had loaded that. There's an electronic footprint that you loaded that specific coupon, so don't be shy to exercise that, and we'll talk about that in a quick second. So if you are very worried about this coupon and all this weirdness, you can throw 2 in a basket. I'd pick up tonight, which is Saturday the 23rd, like put a little order in curbside. It's anywhere between 11 and midnight when all this curbside magic happens. If you are on that avenue, you can do that. Alternatively, you can also grab a screenshot of the coupon and then go buy your pens. And if the coupon doesn't come off, you can call customer service and they will have to honor that $3. Of course, I'm going to go out on Sunday morning and test this, so I will let you guys know yay or nay. If it comes to the deal of $3, me eating that $3 or getting that $3 digital, I will personally call customer service myself because it seems like their chat is broken for whatever reason, but I will definitely get in touch with them. Gas is like, $5 a gallon right now. So for $3, I'm sorry to be the heavy on this one, but I'm going to call to get to the bottom of this. And as per their fine print, 24th, which is Sunday, not Saturday, so it should be another day. So I'm going to fight this one to the wall to get my 2 packs of free pens, and I'll let you guys know if it's coming off or not. I think it's not going to be a problem. I think it's because the coupon is so close to the expiry. That's why it's not showing up when you just search Bic in the app. Like if you look up Bic pens, it's not there, but if you put 2 in a basket, it's coming off. So But once you load a digital coupon, there is a record on their side. So when they're like, what's your name? Jane Smith. What's your DOP? Your email? Your this, your that. They actually can see exactly what you loaded and what you have been doing at the different stores. And they can see the digital coupons as well. So definitely grab a screenshot, guys. And like free stationery, especially right now. I think a lot of us are going to be pursuing this deal. And I will be trying it out on Sunday and I will let you guys know right away. But definitely grab a screenshot. Do as I said, go into your digital coupons folder clipped or throw 2 in a basket and grab that screenshot. Okay, that's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.